Hi guys, so today we're gonna make a 4-ingredient almond joy cookie that is delicious. If you like almond joys, you're really gonna enjoy this. So to make this, we're gonna take some sweetened coconut flakes, some chocolate chips, some slightly salted almonds chopped up. We're gonna mix all three of those together in a bowl, and then we're gonna add in some sweetened condensed milk. And that's it. So strange, I know, but these are delicious. So you want to make sure you mix everything well. And you can eat it just like this if you want. But don't blame me if you get a tummy ache. Now to make this cookie work, you need parchment paper. Don't try to use foil, just get you some parchment paper. Now all you're going to do is scoop out your cookies with the ice cream scoop. You're going to dampen your finger and press the cookies down into like a small little circle shape. Not too much, but you just want to shape them. And then we're going to put them in the oven for 12 to 14 minutes. And when they come out, you guys, now you want to let them cool off so they can set for a couple of minutes before you try to eat them. But let me show you this. Let me show you when I flip it over. That sweetened condensed milk gets so like toffee-like and just chewy, and oh my gosh, these are so good. If you like almond joy, you definitely have to try these. You're gonna love them. Next time I make them, I'm gonna add more almonds. Yum.